In this video, I'll guide you through how to search GitHub for code effectively. Whether you're a developer looking for specific code snippets or a researcher searching for projects, understanding how to navigate GitHub's search functionality can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started by focusing on the main global search bar at the top of GitHub. This is your primary tool for scouring through the vast repositories of code and projects available on the platform. To begin, you'll want to type your keywords directly into this search bar. These keywords are crucial as they form the basis of your search query. However, just typing in a generic phrase might not yield the most precise results. That's where specialized filters come into play. One of the most useful techniques involves searching for exact strings or phrases. To do this, you'll need to wrap your code string in double quotation marks. For instance, if you are looking for files containing the terms Gemini API and text count, you would type those exact terms within double quotes. This method ensures that your search results include only files containing these exact phrases, helping you bypass irrelevant or loosely related content. Another powerful way to refine your search is by filtering results based on file extensions. This is particularly beneficial if you are looking for code in a specific programming language or configuration format. For example, if you're interested in JSON files, you can append your search with the filter extension .json. Let's say you're looking for files related to make.com in JSON format. You would type make.com extension.json into the search bar. This will narrow down your results to only those files that meet both the content and file type criteria. These filtering techniques can dramatically increase the efficiency of your search process, allowing you to pinpoint the exact code snippets or project files you need without wading through unnecessary data. Remember, the key to mastering GitHub's search functionality lies in your ability to combine keywords with these powerful filters to get the most relevant results. To sum it up, mastering GitHub search involves a few straightforward yet effective strategies. Start with the global search bar, use double quotation marks for exact phrases, and don't forget to specify the file type using the extension filter if you are looking for code in a particular format. With these tips, you'll be able to navigate GitHub more proficiently and find the code you need faster. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy coding!